This time around I'm going to show you how to run the server with arguments in the command line, and that can help a few things with performance and stuff like that. So let's get the original one open. I'm going to create that in a duplicate folder. So what you can just do is copy that and just get a new folder, and this is the same thing you would do if you were just creating a new separate server with a different world and stuff on. Call it server. With args. There we go. That'll be absolutely fine. Paste. And then you probably want to give it a proper name, but there are only 2 server files here, so it's quite easy for me to remember. Now what you want to do is create a new file and just call it run.bat. And then edit. I'm just going to do the same thing as previously, java-jar server.jar. And I'm also going to do pause. But if I just show you what happens when you double click it, that's the same as running that command. And there we go. We just need to sign this. Not sign, sorry. Set it to true, save it, and then just double click server.jar again. It seems to be running okay. The hyperalien should appear. There we go. Let's just say hello back, and there we go, that all works fine. Just type stop here. Now instead we get the run.bat, and this would be the same thing. In fact, we can just run it now and it should all be the same. Yeah, everything displays here, and I'll just log in on my other account. So memory gives you some numbers here, and you put your command in here and they can reply back. Perfect. And we can just type stop, and it's all duplicated here. But this thing here is quite nice if you like to have I guess a nicer looking place to do all your admin work in. But it does come at a slight cost of performance, I believe. And so what you can do to help that is run with arguments. So the first thing we do is nogui, and that will disable the grey window that popped up, but you'd still keep this. And there we go, that all works. Just type stop here. And then we can edit the .bat file again, because there's one more thing we want to do, and that is add in arguments affecting how much memory it can use. So we do -xmx 6g and do -xms 3g, capital G, and that means it can max out at 6 GB of memory, but it will start running with 3 GB of memory. You can change that to whatever you want. I'm going with 3 and 6 because that's fine for what I'll be using it for, but there are numerous guides online if you need them to see how much memory you want to start with and how much you want to set a max limit upon. And then just to run the .bat again, and there we go. Very good, all works very nicely. So that's a Papermc server running with arguments